I can't think of anything worse than meeting with the Kyoto
It's a
bigwigs.
very ill-fitting
They're so
jacket.
intimidating. Refreshments are hardly refreshing when you can't relax.
Wow, she's actually kind of nervous about something.
Last night's drinks, those were great.
I didn't think that was possible. Hey, man, there's someone more dangerous than her. That's really scary. Why'd everyone duck now? That was weird. Well, what? Oh, something bad's about to happen. Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh! Oh, my God! Alright, well, that was unexpected. They killed her? Wow. Okay.
Do you copy?
Man, twist.
Go.
What? Huh?